easy to cook and deliver.
Oh, okay.
혼자였으니까 티슈
Okay.
이제 이렇게
Yeah, bro.
Fish, Spanish macaron, crab, cabbage, and kale.
I was looking at it, I don't remember beef heavy.
The wasabi. Thank you. It's 5年ぐらいやってたんですけど
He's basically a pro. From working different hotels.
It's Carlton.
Yeah.
Before here,
Yeah.
it's Carlton. And then before that is Tokyo.
Yeah.
And he started as the Chinese chef of Chinese cuisine.
Oh,
And then, but yeah.
is he Chinese?
No.
See where the rest of your tongue. So they're not very friendly to foreigners. That's why a lot of us don't go here. It's nice.
Hi. Hyogo beef sirloin A5.
There's a big, there's a big
There's a Korean district there.
Korean community here. And they have a like a supermarket, Korean supermarket. I went there once and they gave me a Korean discount.
Does that mean if I go there, I'm gonna get one too?
They give me a Korean discount. Like,
Hey,
the staff is just like talking Korean to me.
I like extremely small.
Sissy doesn't understand. She has to explain it to her.